Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In today's session, I would like to explain how to convert the lengthy paragraphs given in your textbook into a suitable concept map. Let us see how to create a concept map from a given paragraph. So the first and the foremost thing we are supposed to do is you just go through the paragraph given in the textbook. Let me go through the paragraph. Chemical energy stored by molecules can be released as heat during chemical reactions when a fuel like methane, cooking gas, or coal burns in air. So this is a lengthy sentence. So the best way is to break into pieces, that is to break into small sentences, a meaningful sentence. Chemical energy, we talk about in the first sentence, chemical energy. So chemical energy, that can be because everywhere it is represented here, chemical energy. So we can abbreviate this as a CE. So chemical energy, that is CE, is stored by molecules. So chemical energies are stored by molecules. That is the first simplest sentence. That is the key point. Then it is released as heat during a chemical reaction. So I have split the first sentence into almost three small sentences. Are you able to follow me? See, chemical energy stored by molecules. It means chemical energy is stored by molecules. That is point number one. Point number two, it is released as a heat during a chemical reaction. Yes, so we have written the second point. And what is the third point? Fuels like methane, cooking gas, they burn in air. So methane, cooking gas, coal, or fuels. Is it not? These are all the examples of fuels. So when they are burnt in air, what happens? Chemical energy is converted, that is released as heat energy. So this is what they want to explain here. Then, so I have taken this single sentence into four pieces of sentences. Is it not? Four small sentences, so that can be easily understood by the student. Then the chemical energy may be used to mechanical work when fuel burns in an engine, or to provide electrical energy through galvanic dry cells. So this role is a complex sentence, is it not? Now we will try to break into pieces once again. So the chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy, is it not? When it happens, that is a fuel burns in an engine. So this is what they want to say. And the next one, the chemical energy is also converted into electrical energy through galvanic cell or dry cell. Okay, then thus various forms of energies are interrelated under certain conditions, and these may be transformed from one to another form. So it means energies are transformed from one form to another. And the last point is the study of these energy transformations are called it is a subject matter of thermodynamics. It means they want to define what is thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is the study of energy transformations. So these are the key, almost simple 8 points, 8 sentences we have made. Now we have to we have already broken into small, 8 simple sentences. From there we need to pick out the key points. So we have got these 8 sentences. Let us pick out the key points. In the first sentence, we talk about chemical energy is stored by molecules. It means CE, stored in molecules. So when you pick out these key points, it need not be so grammatic. We want to take down notes only. Then it is released as a heat during the chemical reaction. It means CE, released as heat in chemical reaction. That's all. And methane, cooking gas, these are all fuels. So fuels, methane, cooking gas, fuel, coal. Then When they burn in, that is a chemical energy in air, chemical energy is released as a heat energy. It means chemical energy converted into mechanical energy when fuels burn in engine. That's all they want to explain here. Then 6 point, chemical energy, that is CE, converted into electrical energy through what? Galvanic cell, so dry cell. And 7 point, energy, they talk about energy transformation. That is, one form of energy can be converted into another form. That is called energy transformation, ET. Then they want to explain what is thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is the study of all these energy transformations. Okay. Now let us highlight these key abbreviations as abbreviations. For instance, CE, that is the chemical energy stored in molecules. When you say chemical energy, it is stored in molecules. And CE, the same energy is released as a heat in chemical energy. Fuels, let us highlight. Similarly, ME, mechanical energy, EE, electrical energy, ET, energy transformation, TD, that is the thermodynamics. So in this paragraph, which are the very important key abbreviations, and they are the nodes, that is CE, fuels, ME, EE, ET and TD. So we have further truncated this, that is CE, chemical energy, fuels, then mechanical energy, electrical energy, energy transformations and thermodynamics. That's all. Okay. And finally, that is, we can make it as a beautiful concept map by suitably linking. For instance, the entire paragraph is meant for explaining what thermodynamics is. So in that case, what you can do, put thermodynamics, that is the title here. This thermodynamics that describes about the study of energy transformations. So that is the fourth point. And in order to explain these energy transformations, they start with, that is chemical energy. So this chemical energy is stored in molecules and released as heat when it is burnt. And when the fuels like methane, cooking gas, coal are burnt, they produce heat energy, and from that heat energy it is converted into mechanical energy in an engine. So chemical energy is converted into a mechanical energy. Is it not? And this chemical energy is also transformed into electrical energy by means of a galvanic cell. Is it not? Or dry cell. So in that case, we have almost explained all points and condensed this as a concept map. Okay. So I think this would be very easy for you to present, explain and also memorize. So this is the best way to study physics, chemistry, biology or any descriptive subjects. Okay. So are you happy with this making of a concept map? So if you like this video, please subscribe to Saitechinfo channel so that you will be able to get the latest update in education. Thank you very much for watching this video.